What if your study time felt easier instead of stressful? Think about this. Many students spend hours reading, writing, and revising, yet still feel confused before exams. Now imagine learning with tools that guide you, explain things in simple ways, and save you time every day. That is what smart technology can do when used the right way. In this video, you will discover 12 powerful AI tools that help students learn better, study smarter, and stay organized without pressure. These tools do not replace your thinking. They support it. Everything I share today is simple, practical, and easy to use, even if you are not good with technology. Let's begin. 1. Grammarly. Grammarly is one of the most useful tools for students who write essays, emails, and assignments. It checks your grammar, spelling, and sentence flow in real time. This means you do not need to read your work again and again trying to find small mistakes. Grammarly does that for you in seconds. Many students lose marks not because their ideas are bad, but because their writing is unclear. Grammarly helps fix that problem. It suggests better word choices and helps your sentences sound natural and confident. Over time, you also learn from its corrections, so your writing improves on its own. You can use Grammarly for essays, discussion posts, scholarship letters, and even group project emails. It works in browsers, documents, and email apps. That means your writing stays clean everywhere. When your words look professional, teachers and classmates take your work more seriously. 2. Notion AI. Notion AI helps students stay organized when everything feels scattered. Notes, tasks, deadlines, group work, and revision plans can quickly become messy. Notion brings everything into one place. You can write notes, create to-do lists, plan your week, and store important links all in one app. The AI part makes it even better. You can turn rough notes into clean summaries. You can ask it to create study plans for exams. You can ask it to break a big project into smaller steps. This is perfect for students who feel overwhelmed when work piles up. Notion also helps with teamwork. You can share pages with classmates and work together on projects. Instead of sending files back and forth, everything stays in one place. This saves time and reduces confusion. 3. Ask Cody. If you study computer science or learn coding, Ask Cody can feel like a personal tutor. It helps you write code, understand what the code does, and find mistakes before they become big problems. Many beginners struggle because they do not know why their program fails. Ask Cody explains code in simple words. This helps you learn faster and feel less frustrated. Advanced students also benefit because they save time on routine coding tasks. Ask Cody supports many languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript. This makes it useful for different courses. Instead of spending hours searching online forums, you get clear help in one place. 4. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most flexible learning tools for students. You can use it to explain hard topics, summarize lessons, brainstorm essay ideas, and practice interview questions. If a topic feels confusing, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in simple words. If you are preparing for a test, you can ask practice questions. If you feel stuck on an essay, you can ask for an outline to get started. The key is to use ChatGPT as a guide, not as a shortcut. Let it help you understand, then write in your own words. This builds real learning and keeps your work honest. 5. Tutor AI. Tutor AI acts like a smart teacher that works anytime you need help. You type a subject or topic, and it creates lessons just for you. This is great for subjects that need extra practice, like math, science, or languages. You can upload your own notes and turn them into custom study guides. That way, you study exactly what your class requires, not random content. Tutor AI is perfect for students who learn at different speeds. You can move slowly or quickly based on your comfort. Learning becomes more personal and less stressful. 6. Otter AI. Otter AI helps you focus in class instead of rushing to write every word. It records and transcribes lectures in real time. After class, you get clear notes and summaries. This helps students who miss details while listening. It also helps those who learn better by reading later. You can search for keywords in your notes and find important parts quickly. Otter AI is also useful for group discussions and online classes. You stay present during the lesson, knowing that your notes are being handled for you. 7. Dollar 3. Some students learn better when they can see ideas instead of only reading them. That is where DALL-E3 becomes very useful. This AI tool turns your words into images. If you are studying history, you can create scenes from the past. If you are studying biology, you can generate pictures of cells, organs, or systems. If you are working on a presentation, you can design custom images that fit your topic perfectly. Many students struggle to imagine things from books or lectures. DALL-E3 helps bring those ideas to life. This makes learning feel more real and easier to remember. When you connect words with pictures, your brain stores information better. This tool is also great for creative projects. Art students, design students, and even literature students can use it to explore ideas in new ways. Instead of spending hours searching for the right image, you create exactly what you need in minutes. 8. Quillbot. Quillbot is a powerful tool for students who want to improve their writing without copying or cheating. It helps you rephrase sentences, summarize long text, and make your writing sound more natural. Many students understand a topic well, but struggle to express it clearly. Quillbot helps bridge that gap. You write your ideas first, then use Quillbot to polish them. This keeps your work original while improving flow and clarity. It is also very helpful for studying. You can paste long chapters and turn them into short summaries. This saves time and helps you focus on key points instead of getting lost in details. Quillbot becomes like a writing coach that helps you grow with every assignment. 9. Google Gemini. Google Gemini helps students find and understand information faster. You can ask questions, get summaries, translate text, and break down complex topics into simple ideas. Research often feels heavy because students open many tabs and still feel unsure. Gemini reduces that stress. It brings answers together in one place and explains them in clear language. Gemini is also useful for planning. You can ask it to create study schedules, revision plans, and project timelines. This helps you stay organized and avoid last-minute stress. When learning feels structured, confidence grows. 10. Kickersome. Learning is not only about exams. It is also about preparing for the future. KickResume helps students build strong resumes and cover letters without stress. Many students feel nervous writing resumes because they do not know what to say. KickResume guides you step by step. It suggests skills, formats, and strong bullet points that match real job needs. This tool also helps your resume pass online systems used by companies. That means your application has a better chance of being seen by real people. When students feel prepared for their future, learning becomes more meaningful. 11. ExamAI. ExamAI is built for students who want to study smarter, not longer. You upload your notes, slides, or textbooks, and the tool turns them into quizzes, practice questions, and study guides. Instead of spending hours making flashcards, you get ready-made study material in minutes. This helps you focus on understanding instead of organizing. ExamAI also adapts to your weak areas. If you struggle with a topic, it gives you more practice in that area. This makes revision more effective and builds confidence before exams. 12. MindCo. MindCo helps students understand homework instead of just giving answers. When a problem feels confusing, MindCo breaks it into simple steps. This is helpful for math, science, and subjects that need clear logic. Instead of feeling stuck, you learn how to solve similar problems on your own. MindCo also works with notes and textbooks. You upload content and it explains it in simple language. This builds real understanding, not just quick solutions. There you have it, 12 powerful AI tools that can turn stress into confidence and confusion into clarity. These tools help you write better, study smarter, and stay organized so learning feels lighter and more enjoyable. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tools would help you the most in your studies right now? Tell me in the comments. I would love to know. If this video helped you, press the like button, share with a friend who needs better study tools, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tips that make learning easier. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.